All right, what's going on today, you guys? So today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about a question I see a lot online, and it is, what are the best alternatives to the KRK Rokit studio monitors? For those of you who don't know KRK systems very well, or KRK Rokits in general, KRK came around back in 2003 with the KRK Generation 1s. We are currently in 2020 with the KRK Rokit Generation 4. You're actually currently looking at the G4 8s. That's the Generation 4 8-inch low-frequency driver KRK Rokits. And yeah, they've been around for quite a while now, and have really come a long way in terms of design, in terms of sound, in terms of just overall quality. But that being said, even if you do have a pair of KRK Rokits, or maybe you're just looking to see what your options are, there are a good number of alternatives that are out there. One of the main alternatives that I think are great for KRK Rokits are the Yamaha HS series. The Yamaha HS, they stem from the NS10s, which were really popular back in the day. If you look at studios, photos of studios from the 70s, they were some of the most popular monitors around. Now the HS series is one of the more affordable lines of studio monitors, and you see them in a lot of homes. As an alternative, they have a really clear and accurate sound compared to the KRK Rokit systems, and they can really easily be kind of incorporated into a multitude of audio setups. The ability to adjust the volume level is really easy, and they're just really nice and crystal clear. Of course, compared to the KRK Rokits, the bass might be lacking for some. I think that the KRK has done a really excellent job of kind of making that really solid low end, especially with the Generation 4 studio monitors, and I think that Yamaha hasn't quite caught up there. And they are obviously a little more expensive as well, so you will be paying a bit more if you're going for the Yamaha HS series. Plus, you don't get the DSP-driven EQ on the back, which I'll go around, you can see that here. It's a little LED EQ for fine tuning in the room and whatnot, so that's really helpful to have. Another great alternative that I think are wonderful if you're looking for something besides the KRK Rokits is the Mackie MR series. The MR8s in particular, since we're looking at the G4 8s right here. The Mackie, they're another really great budget-friendly studio monitor. They provide you with professional-grade audio accuracy. There's a distortion-free sound, a really nice high-volume output. I think they're a little bit more detailed in the sound imaging than KRK Rokits are, and that can be great if you're listening to. If you really want to get the most out of your stereo image. The bass response compared to the KRKs is quite similar. They do have rear bass ports though, so they can be a little bit difficult to tame, and that's the one place where KRK kind of excels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I would say if you're going to go for any alternatives to the KRK Rokits, it would be the Mackie MR series or the Yamaha HS series. They're both excellent studio monitors. Of course, I've chosen the KRKs. I think they're awesome. So, it really depends. If you can, try and listen to all of them and see which ones sound best to you. All right, if you have any questions or any insights about alternatives to KRK Rokits, please feel free to say so in the comments. Take it easy.